Hello, my name is Jean Rocha, and this is a project continuing based off or based off step one. So let me just go right through it. Alright, so right here I have made 6 designs with colors. So basically blue, purple, and yellow. It's kind of like supposed to give off like the vibe that the album of Kayaita by Bad Bunny has. Kind of like this tropical vibe. At first I went for like a red, yellow, bluish type color, but it didn't seem well for me. And I thought changing up like the red to like a purple color or like different colors. At one point I decided to do pink, but I wasn't too unsure. So like, if you could give me like a quick point out if like another color could suit better for this, it would be appreciated. But yeah, I just went with blue, yellow, and this purple, a little bit darkerish, to kind of go against with the white background of like the templates here of the designs. As before, all the shapes kind of like stayed the same. For the first one, I kind of changed it a little bit to like test out like the templates. As you can tell here, with a hierarchical type design, while having some negative space in between. As you can tell with like the rest of the designs, it has the same thing. There's a bunch of negatives around, but it gives off a better symmetrical type layout, and also it just like makes the design pop out more in that sense compared to like with this one with 6, where like you have like the designs of the objects creating like a shape, using the shapes to create objects. My bad. And also with the waves compared to here, it's a little bit messier. But I was just testing it out like at first. Same with this one. So I just did a line on top of it to see how well it does. And I felt like it was like too much space. So that's why with like the rest of them, especially with one, I decided to like create more negative space so that way it contrasts better and it gives it better. So what I did was I used like a grid type layouts where like I had like the columns and then this line over here separating it, creating a kind of like different design. Here I just went based off like the slide for one of the lecture slides, where I had like this cool design um, grid system for like these lines over here with like the words coming out. But I felt like that was just better for like the negative space, create emptiness here, so that way like it just stands out more. And yeah, that is all. Thank you for listening.